This lesson is Congruency and Similarity using boards number 15 and 18. We'll also use the geometric shapes, the blue and red pond markers, and the dry erase markers with the cloth. On board number 18, you can see that the board has been divided into 4 quadrants. And what we're going to do is we're going to place a triangle across 2 of the quadrants. And I don't want you to get stuck on the actual values of the quadrants, but rather the dimensions of the shape. So we're going to start off with a triangle, and this is shape number 18, a red triangle, and we'll place another one here, shape number 21, a red triangle. What I want you to notice is that the dimensions of the triangle along the bottom, the base is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 units, and number 21 is 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can see that the base of triangle number 21 is exactly half of triangle number 18. So what we have to do is see if the relationship continues across all sides of the triangle as well as the height of the triangle. So because the diagonals are different, what we'll do is we'll just count diagonal units. They're not actually the same distance as each of these units, but we can show students that there are 1, 2, 3, 4 diagonals, and here there are only 2, which again is half of the original shape. And this side we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is only 2, so that's half. So all of the 3 sides are half of the original length. So these are what we call similar shapes. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to talk about congruency. So I'm going to start off with the blue square, number 3, and I'm going to show 2 that have the same number on them. So both of these have the same dimensions. They're both 2 by 2 squares, thus making them congruent because all sides are the same. Not only that, but the angles in the corners are all 90 degrees. Therefore, they have the same angle size and the same length size, thus making them congruent. Okay, moving on to board number 15. On board number 15, we can do the same process. We can show congruent figures, and I'll just plot a 2 by 2 square here and a 2 by 2 square here. And what you can do is you can have students check the dimensions, and you can also have students plot the coordinates of those. So we'll fill in the sides, and you can see that there are 2 congruent squares. In addition, we can also make some triangles. We can see that the base is 4 and the height is 2. And so if we want to increase that by a scale factor of 2, we can just double the height from 2 to 4. And we can take this base and take it from 4 to 8. 1, 2, 3. And we can connect. And now we have similar triangles, and the scale factor is 2. So this is how you use board number 15 and board number 18 to represent congruent figures and similar figures.